One of my perpetual struggles with mixing is knowing how loud to set a sound. While the playback medium can distort our perception of loudness across a mix, let's put that aside for now and focus on the theory of setting volume. This is a concept that's often so taken for granted that it's not even questioned. The common belief is that you just know the correct volume. It feels right, and it's something you can't teach, but must intuit. But what if I like the level of my drums here? Or here? Or here? How do I know which is right for the track? What I believe throws us off is the arbitrary level we find our volume meters set at. We might mix as we go, but when transitioning to a more mix-centered approach, we often anchor the volume around the arbitrary level we've set the fader at, and then adjust in small increments around this number. This is known as the anchoring effect, a psychological bias where our judgments are influenced by a reference point or anchor, which is often completely irrelevant. Instead, remove this anchor by selecting all of the faders and pulling them down to silence. Next, go through and set the volume of each channel from what you envision the quietest sounds will be to the loudest. Here's the crucial point. When you're setting the levels for a particular sound, listen to everything except the sound you're adjusting. When the sound you're adjusting starts to cover up other instruments, you know it's too loud. The louder you make an instrument, the more you mask other elements in the mix. It's like someone standing right in front of you while talking. The closer they are, the less you can see everything else around them. Once you start to notice masking, reduce the volume until each instrument is clearly audible again.